Hello, Dax Biederman with Trivent Safety Consulting, here with our friends at Colorado Safety Supply. Today we're going to discuss temporary roof anchors, specifically the reusable hinged roof anchor, like this one here. How many of you use something like this? Are you sure you and your employees are using it correctly? From my years in safety and from my countless inspections I've been on, I've seen a lot of improper use and hazardous installations of these anchors. Let's talk about the equipment you're using. First off, how do you know how to use the equipment? Or any piece of fall protection equipment for that matter. You start with fall protection training. And then we look at the user manual. Every piece of equipment has something like this. You should read this for all the things that you or your employees are using. Additionally, ensure all the end users read the manual and are familiar with the equipment they are being provided. Inside the manual, you'll find several key pieces of information. The first thing you should understand is inspection requirements. Prior to using any fall protection equipment, it needs to be inspected by the competent person before it is issued to the employees. And as we all know, all fall protection equipment must have a thorough inspection prior to each use by the end user. The user guide is going to tell you what to look for. Some things to look at are the legs in good condition? Do they lie flat on the surface? Is there any significant damage? Any corrosion? Does the D-ring move freely? Are the welds in good condition? Next, we need to ensure that we're attaching the anchor to a suitable structure. Depending on the anchor type, you can usually attach it to either wood or steel. You just need to ensure the compatibility. Is the steel thick enough? Are you able to connect to a rafter when attaching to wood? Again, reading your user manual will tell you what you can attach to. When connecting the anchor to the structure, the biggest mistake we find is employees using improper fasteners or the correct fastener but an insufficient amount of them. Most of the reusable anchors can be used with either nails or tech screws, but not just any fastener. Your manual will call out specifically the type and how many you need to use. This product, French Creek Model 1715, is designed to be used with 12 16-penny nails that have been provided. One of the most common fasteners we see on the job sites are drywall screws. There are literally thousands of these lying around on the project. They're everywhere. The problem is they do not have the shear strength to meet the requirements of a complete fall protection anchor setup. Please do not ever use them for this application. Once you have the correct type and the correct number of fasteners, the user manual will tell you where you need to place the fasteners in the anchor. The pattern is different for each different type of anchor. This model requires one complete row on each side. The final step is removal. Be careful when removing hardware to minimize the damage to the anchor. The anchor is the most important element of the system. Most manufacturers recommend that you do not reuse fasteners. Fasteners are a disposable commodity. Ensure your employees have enough extra. Buy lots for them. That way they don't have to go hunt down the wrong screws or nails. Trivent Safety Consulting recommends that you train your employees on the equipment they use and provide them with the correct tools for the job. If you have any questions or you need additional training, please call us at 1-800-819-6092 or visit us at www.triventsc.com. Stay tuned for future information from Trivent Safety Consulting. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button below to see additional videos. Thank you and have a safe day.